Hello, everybody, and welcome to this Totowa tutorial where I will show you how to register and get started with Read Squared, the platform in which we're hosting our summer reading program for the Totowa Library. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to register if you are registering as a Passaic Valley High School student. So you're going to go to totowapl.org/summer. That's going to bring you to our website. And right down here, it says register for the reading program. When you click that, it brings you to totowa.readsquared.com. And like I said, Read Squared is going to be the platform that you're going to be logging all of your reading this summer. So if you notice there are different tabs, you don't have to click on the tabs, but it will tell you the description for the program, as we're running a couple different programs for kids, the PV reading program, and of course the adults. So next, you're going to get started by clicking register now. You can also do this through the Read Squared app, available on the App Store and on the Google Play Store. So you're going to click register now, and you're going to register myself only. Click on that. And when you put in your age, it will automatically tell you which program you're eligible to enter. Now, if you are 13 or 14, it's going to give you the option of choosing either the children's or the Passaic Valley Summer Reading Program. So you're going to go ahead and click Passaic Valley Summer Reading Program. The same would be if you're 18 registering for the Summer Reading Program for PV. It's going to give you the option to either register for the adult reading program or the Passaic Valley reading program. So again, you're going to want to click on the Passaic Valley Summer Reading Program if you're a Passaic Valley student. So then you're going to enter all your information, put your grade level. We have incoming 9th grader all the way through incoming 12th grader. Those are going to be the selections you're going to choose if you're registering for the PV reading program. And then you're going to choose a username and password. And don't worry, if you do forget your password, you could always contact the Totowa Library and we could reset this for you. I also want to make note that if you're registering for this program, you must be a Totowa resident. If you're from Woodland Park or Little Falls, you have to contact your local library or take a look at their website and see how you're going to register through Read Squared through their specific link. You'll notice that it says totowa.readsquared.com. This is our specific link for Totowa residents only. And then down here, you can either turn your book recommendations on or off. You could select what types of book recommendations you might want. I'm going to turn mine off for now. And then once you hit continue, it'll bring you right to the homepage of the Summer Reading Program portal. And so this is where you can log reading. You can write reviews for books. You could see your logging history. There's missions in here. There's reading lists. So I'm going to click on reading lists and just show you, we have some suggested reading lists here. And these two are geared towards Passaic Valley students or teens. And once you hit one of the reading lists, you'll be able to look at the book, look at some information about it. And these are just suggestions. These are not required readings for you guys. Now, let's say you did read a book and you want to log your book to get credit for it. So the way that you get credit for books is by clicking log reading. And then you're going to take note of how many pages the book that you read had. So if the book that you read had 250 pages, you're going to select this button. You're going to put in the title. I'm just going to put in Hunger Games. And you don't even have to put in the author. Oh, you do. Susan Collins. And hit submit. And once you hit submit, it'll give you a certain amount of points based on how many pages there were in the book. So for this particular book, I got 300 points. And to complete the summer reading assignment for Passaic Valley students, you need to earn 500 points. through the way that we've made the system in Totowa. So if you're a Totowa student, you need to read enough books to get 500 points. So now if I go read another book that's worth 150 pages, I'm going to log that, and it's also going to be another 200 points. And at this point, it tells me that I've completed my summer reading program. So if I want to look at my logging history, I can click history and it'll tell me all the books that I've read throughout the summer. You may need to print this if your teacher is asking for your history in the fall. So this is a great place to know how to get to on the website. And then if you want to keep reading, you totally can, but 500 points is the minimum needed to complete the reading assignment through Totowa's Read Squared portal. But if you keep reading, you will actually be entered into winning raffle tickets for end of the summer gift cards that we're going to be raffling off at the end of the summer. Every 1,000 points you earn will get you another raffle ticket. There are some other cool things in Read Squared and ways to earn points other than just reading. You can earn points through writing contest, coloring contest, different missions that are all listed under your missions tab. And you'll see the point values that are associated with those missions. So you can either read one large book and get your 500 points. You could read 2 smaller books and earn 500 points, or you could read a book and do a couple missions. And in the end, as long as you have your 500 points, you have completed the summer reading program. Of course, there's a certificate here that you can print if your teacher requires you to show the certificate that you finished the program. That'll just say that you completed it and and the date you completed it. There are going to be some events for Passaic Valley students. As of now, they're not currently on the calendar, but they will be on the calendar by the end of the summer, and they'll be in a dark blue. So this is like a lighter blue right now for the kids programs, but we'll make it stand out in dark blue. And if you do attend that program, it will get you a couple bonus points to go towards your 500 point goal. And again, if you don't already have the app is super easy to download on your phone, and you could just track all your reading there. So I hope this was helpful to you in getting started on Read Squared. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Totowa Public Library. And all of our information to contact us is actually on our website down at the bottom. Again, if you're from Woodland Park or Little Falls, please contact Woodland Park or Little Falls to figure out how they're asking you to register for Read Squared and what the criteria is to finish the program. And I do just want to make note that if you're looking for books to read, like I said, we have the suggested reading lists, but also we do have a bunch of digital resources, ebooks, audiobooks, different platforms through our digital resources tab on our website. Overdrive and Hoopla, you can borrow instantly digital movies and ebooks directly to your device. And of course, you're always welcome to come in and check out a book with your library card. If you don't have a library card, you can visit our website and go to the virtual, under services, click virtual. And the first box here is to apply for a library card. And then you can get set up. You'll be able to use the Hoopla and Overdrive to instantly borrow books through your mobile device, or of course, coming into the library and checking out a physical book or audiobook. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us, and happy reading this summer.